So what do we got going here, Rich?
Leaking a 1-inch copper line.
This right here?
Yeah. Right here.
So you were saying it's this is your third pinhole?
Third pinhole, yeah.
In the last year or something?
Within 5 years.
Yeah. So we're just gonna replace this whole shot, yeah?
To right here by Rudolph.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's another shut off right there. I didn't even see that. Oh shit.
Okay, so we'll chop it right here and
Okay.
is that it is type L, that's good.
Yeah, it was.
So we don't have to worry about pressing it. This is a pretty cool so we're gonna start back here.
Yeah.
This is a cool little what is it? Can I open this?
Yep.
Oh, they got a sewage ejector pump, huh?
Yeah, for the back unit.
Wow. Got a little sump pump. This is an awesome little area. Look at that.
So right there to your left.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna start here.
No, I think we'll just cut back by the T. There's a T right here. There's a T right there.
Where? Oh,
So just
I
in
see,
front
I
of
see,
that
I see.
T?
Yeah.
Somewhere
Yeah.
right around there, and then
Yeah, I got you.
I don't want to mess with all that. That's just gonna open up another can of worms. So,
Yeah, no
'cause I
problem.
had a pinhole right back here. You'll probably see a coupling somewhere over there, maybe. But I had a pinhole in here first, and then
Yeah, I can crawl up in there, no problem.
okay.
Skinny enough, I think. So they have a back house, huh?
Yeah, that's full house.
Man, what? I just you see stuff like this, and it's like, what kind of effort did that take
A lot.
to get? You know what I mean? To get that under the ground through all this concrete.
And there's a.
that must have been a
when it
nightmare.
rains really hard, it leaks in here. So there's something's leaking somewhere.
That's why they
we
have that
have-
sump pump.
That's why we have the sub pump and everything.
Oh,
right
yeah,
here,
yeah,
because
yeah.
When we get those super big rainstorms.
Yeah.
We had a flood last year.
Dang. Did this all flood in here?
Yep.
Dang.
After they finished.
Is this new flooring since then, or?
No.
It looks good, doesn't
It's
it?
looking good.
It looks like that reclaimed wood.
Yeah, you can feel a little bubbling right around.
Yeah. Boy, that heater is nice and warm. Oof, that feels good. Okay, so there's a ball valve right here. This is the house main. This is the front of the house. This is the house main. This feeds the house right here. That's the shut off for the house. And then this is for the back house right here, 1 inch. We just turn that off. So, a little bucket. You need a bucket or no?
No.
Okay.
Not too bad. Is it too bad for you?
Nah.
So just leave it like that, or?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
I think it's just kind of, yeah, it's just.
Yeah. All right. Let me crawl up in there.
You want to go in there first? Or?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna chop it right here, and then send her on through. Let's get this out of the way. What the heck is going on with this thing? There you go. All right, and we're gonna cut it on the other side. There you go.
Was getting a lot of water?
Yeah, it's better that I did it in here, because that would have been a lot of water coming down on you. Yeah. No, it didn't get me. All right, keep going. All right, hang on just a sec. All right, push.
Okay.
All right, it's through the first hanger. Ugh.
Okay.
Actually, you know what, man?
Yep.
That hanger, the little coating is coming off, so we should probably.
Okay.
Could you hand me a hammer and one of those new hangers?
Okay.
There you go. And then.
I'm messing up your video.
No. You're good, dude. My little cheap plumbing videos have no production value. Impossible to mess them up. All right, that's our first 10-footer. So I'll put those hangers on, and then Okay, so we're sticking out about a foot. And now. Okay. Okay, there's the second piece right here. These hangers are okay. All right, so Rich cut everything
See
out.
that little bump? Can you see that little bump inside there?
The white?
The little, looked like a little mountain. No, inside the pipe.
Oh, whoa.
Inside the pipe.
Holy cow. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about like right here.
No, inside.
Wow. Yeah, look at that, dude.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
This one has that too?
That one has one inside. I don't know if you can see it all the way down there, but it's down the ways. It's down, about down. Right.
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wonder why, dude. It's type L.
Yeah.
How old is that? Did they say?
20, and then there's another one building. No, that's my coupling. I think it's on this one.
Jeez. I wonder why that line specifically and none of the others.
Yeah.
It's weird. So this is our final connection right here, which is going to be a bit of a challenge. But we're all good going down that way. Maybe I'll cut it. I'll use a 90 or something. Make this a little easier. Rich is getting another piece of copper. We'll just put a little jammer in there. And then that'll be it. And we'll test. I'll put a couple more hangers. But it's a quick little fun job. I like jobs like this, where we're kind of out of the way of the homeowner and nobody's bothering us. We just get it done, you know? There you go, fella. There you go, folks. Perfectly inserted. And then lastly, I'm gonna put one more hanger. I think probably probably right. I got one right there, so right here. Put one right here. And we'll test. Okay. Here goes nothing. Which way? This way? There we go. Wait, which way was it? There you go. No leaks down here. There you go. I don't see any leaks right here. I put this last hanger right here.
Okay.
That sucker's in there, man. And that ain't moving. I don't see any leaks right there.
I'm gonna go flush out the water in the guest house.
Yep.
And so that we fill up, make sure the line's open.
Yep.
So we know if water's
I don't hear no squirting. No squirting.